Warehouse manager plays a vital role in ensuring smooth operations, accurate inventory, and team efficiency. These interview questions help evaluate leadership, problem-solving skills, and operational knowledge to identify the right candidate for managing and optimizing warehouse performance. 1. How do you ensure warehouse operations run smoothly every day? Smooth warehouse operations depend on planning, coordination, and communication. A warehouse manager must first understand the day's priorities by reviewing incoming and outgoing shipments, staffing levels, and inventory positions. Daily check-ins with team leads help ensure alignment across departments. Using warehouse management systems, WMS, is essential to track workflows and identify bottlenecks. Regular communication with procurement, logistics, and customer service teams helps avoid delays. Establishing clear processes and responsibilities ensures accountability and reduces confusion. A strong focus on team morale, safety practices, and quick problem resolution also contributes to smoother operations. Ultimately, successful warehouse management depends on staying proactive, staying informed, and adapting quickly. 2. What strategies do you use to improve inventory accuracy? Inventory accuracy is critical for fulfilling orders efficiently and avoiding costly errors. A strong warehouse manager introduces cycle counting schedules to regularly verify stock levels rather than waiting for year-end audits. Standardizing receiving and put-away processes helps ensure items are stored in the correct locations from the start. Using barcode scanning and real-time data entry reduces manual mistakes. Training staff on proper handling, labeling, and documentation ensures everyone understands their role in maintaining accuracy. Root cause analysis of discrepancies is also important to prevent recurring issues. By combining technology with discipline and accountability, inventory control can be significantly improved over time. 3. How do you handle a situation where a team member consistently underperforms? When dealing with underperformance, a balanced approach of empathy and accountability is key. A warehouse manager should first meet privately with the employee to understand any underlying causes, be it personal issues, lack of training, or miscommunication. Clear expectations should be restated, and specific examples of the performance gaps should be discussed. Offering support like retraining or adjusting workloads can make a difference. However, it's important to set a timeline for improvement and document progress. If no change occurs, escalating the issue through formal performance reviews or HR intervention may be necessary. A strong leader acts fairly but firmly to maintain team efficiency. 4. Describe your experience with warehouse management systems, WMS. Warehouse management systems are essential tools for optimizing operations. A warehouse manager should have hands-on experience using WMS platforms to manage inventory, shipments, and workflows. Proficiency in systems like SAP, Oracle, or Manhattan helps in tracking order status, minimizing errors, and improving warehouse layout efficiency. Beyond using the software, a good manager also trains a team, ensures data accuracy, and uses system-generated reports for decision-making. They may also collaborate with IT or software vendors to troubleshoot issues or implement upgrades. Ultimately, WMS systems are valuable not only for tracking, but also for planning, analysis, and operational improvement. 5. What steps do you take to maintain a safe working environment? Warehouse safety starts with strong leadership and clear policies. A warehouse manager must ensure that all team members are trained in OSHA regulations and warehouse-specific safety protocols. Conducting regular safety audits, enforcing the use of PPE, and inspecting equipment are standard practices. The manager should also hold daily or weekly safety briefings and encourage staff to report hazards. Having a well-organized layout that avoids clutter and dangerous traffic patterns helps prevent accidents. Emergency procedures, such as fire drills and first aid readiness, must also be part of the plan. Safety is everyone's responsibility, but the manager sets the tone and expectations. 6. How do you prioritize tasks when faced with multiple urgent issues? When multiple urgent tasks arise, prioritization depends on impact, deadlines, and available resources. A warehouse manager starts by assessing which issues could delay outbound shipments, disrupt customer service, or compromise safety. They may delegate immediate tasks to capable team members while focusing on the most critical challenge themselves. Using checklists or digital task managers can help track and assign priorities. Communication is vital. Updating teams and other departments about shifting schedules or expectations avoids confusion. Staying calm and structured ensures that urgent problems are addressed without compromising the overall workflow or quality standards. Good managers stay flexible but focused. 7. How do you measure warehouse efficiency and performance? Performance in a warehouse is measured through key performance indicators, KPIs, like order accuracy, pick and pack rate, inventory turnover, and on-time shipping. A warehouse manager regularly reviews these metrics through WMS reports or dashboards. They also conduct time studies to assess how long certain processes take and identify inefficiencies. Customer feedback, return rates, and safety incident reports also offer valuable performance insights. Daily stand-ups and weekly reviews help keep the team informed and focus on targets. Continuous improvement comes from using this data to refine processes, reallocate resources, or update training programs. Metrics drive accountability and progress. 8. Can you describe a time you resolved a major warehouse problem? Effective problem solving is a hallmark of strong warehouse leadership. For example, if a critical shipment is delayed due to a system glitch or staffing shortage, a warehouse manager quickly investigates the issue, communicates with affected departments, and identifies workarounds. They might reassign staff, coordinate with carriers, or even pitch in physically to meet deadlines. Afterward, they document what went wrong, review procedures, and implement safeguards to prevent recurrence. Whether it's a supply chain disruption, equipment failure, or inventory mismatch, the key is to act swiftly, communicate clearly, and focus on solutions. Learning from crises builds stronger systems and trust. 9. How do you motivate and lead a warehouse team effectively? Motivating a warehouse team requires clear goals, recognition, and respect. A warehouse manager should set daily targets, celebrate wins, and provide constructive feedback. Leading by example, arriving early, staying organized, and handling pressure well encourages others to follow suit. Regular team meetings, open-door policies, and one-on-one check-ins promote a sense of involvement and purpose. Cross-training staff not only improves flexibility, but also shows investment in employee growth. Offering incentives, whether through performance bonuses or simple appreciation, can boost morale. A strong team culture thrives on trust, accountability, and shared goals. The manager's attitude often defines the workplace environment. 10. What role does continuous improvement play in warehouse management? Continuous improvement is essential to staying competitive and efficient. A warehouse manager must constantly look for ways to reduce waste, shorten cycle times, and enhance accuracy. This can include reorganizing storage layouts, upgrading equipment, or refining workflows. Lean principles or Six Sigma methodologies may be applied to minimize inefficiencies. Gathering feedback from frontline staff often uncovers overlooked pain points. Performance data guides improvement decisions and helps set realistic goals. Involving the team in changes also fosters ownership and innovation. Improvement isn't a one-time effort. It's a mindset. Warehouses that embrace this culture adapt better and perform stronger over time. Hiring the right warehouse manager ensures efficient operations, safety, and team productivity. These questions help assess essential skills, leadership qualities, and practical experience to find a candidate capable of driving continuous improvement and maintaining high warehouse performance standards.